Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally.
Today, we are going to learn about the different household chores. I will be saying them first, and I hope you will repeat them after me. Does that sound fun? Let's get started. Make the bed. Do you make your bed every morning? Change the sheets. How often do you change your sheets? Clean up your room. Do the laundry. Dry the clothes. Iron the clothes. Fold the clothes. Put away the clothes. You're doing great! Cook a meal. Set the table. Wash the dishes. Do you help wash the dishes? Dry the dishes. Put the dishes away. Wipe off the table. Feed the pets. Do you have any pets? Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Scrub the floor. Vacuum the floor. Dust the furniture. There are so many more household chores for you to learn. Fixing things around the house. Clean the windows. Clean the bathroom. Walk the dog. This is a good form of exercise. Do the grocery shopping. What's your favorite snack to buy at the grocery store? Wash the car. Mow the lawn. Water the plants. Weed the garden. Rake the leaves. Take out the garbage. Awesome job! Now you know how to say these chores. Now let's review. Make the bed. Change the sheets. Clean up your room. Do the laundry. Dry the clothes. Iron the clothes. Fold the clothes. Put away the clothes. Cook a meal. Set the table. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Put the dishes away. Wipe off the table. Feed the pets. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Scrub the floor. Vacuum the floor. Dust the furniture. Fixing things around the house. Clean the windows. Clean the bathroom. Walk the dog. Do the grocery shopping. Wash the car. Mow the lawn. Water the plants. Weed the garden. Rake the leaves. Take out the garbage. Great job! Now that you know how to say these chores, I hope you help out at home. Do you want to watch the video again? Let's do that! Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.